You might think Audi's just about understated luxury and its legendary Quattro grip. Sensible, sophisticated, perhaps a little predictable. But then there's the TT RS. It's the compact, unassuming hero in Audi's performance lineup. The baby Audi with a surprising, visceral supercar heart. Today, we're breaking down exactly what makes the Audi TT RS so incredibly great. 1. The 5-cylinder legend. At the core of the TTRS's undeniable appeal is its powertrain, a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-5 engine. This isn't just about raw numbers. It's about soul, character, and a direct, pulsating connection to Audi's illustrious motorsport heritage. This engine's unique layout, with its odd number of cylinders, is a direct, reverent nod to the iconic Audi Sport Quattro S1 that dominated the treacherous Group B rally stages in the 1980s. That lineage isn't just marketing, it's baked into the engine's very DNA. The current iteration delivers a staggering 394 horsepower right off the factory floor with a substantial 354 pound-feet of torque available from a low 1700 RPM. But statistics, while impressive, only tell part of the story. Engaging the throttle unleashes one of the most iconic, unmistakable sounds in the entire automotive world. That offbeat, guttural warble, a result of its unique 1-2-4-5-3 firing order, is nothing short of an auditory masterpiece. It's a symphony of aggression and mechanical precision, a raw, emotional soundtrack that distinguishes it from almost every other performance car on the market. It doesn't scream like a V8 or howl like a V10. It delivers a deeper, more resonant thrum, a purposeful, almost impatient snarl that lets you know this is something truly special. This engine isn't just an engine, it's the beating heart of the TTRS, giving it a personality that few rivals can match. It's a throwback in the best possible way, a defiant stand against the trend of smaller, fewer cylinder engines, preserving a legendary configuration for a new generation. 2. The Quattro launches. Pair that legendary engine with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, and what you get is a car that launches with the explosive force of a precisely fired projectile. The TTRS sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 3.6 seconds, a figure that, for a car of its size and price point, is absolutely electrifying. More than just the numbers, the sensation of those launches is truly addictive. With the standard launch control engaged, the car hunkers down, the engine revs, and then releases with an immediate, relentless surge of power. There's virtually no wheel spin, just pure, unadulterated grip that hooks up and rockets you forward. This isn't just a party trick for dry asphalt. The beauty of Quattro, particularly in its TTRS application, lies in its versatility. Rain-soaked roads, snow-covered streets, or bone-dry pavement, the TTRS finds traction where many rear-wheel drive or even some front-wheel drive performance cars would flounder. This means consistently repeatable, mind-bending acceleration, regardless of the conditions. It transforms the car from a fair-weather toy into a genuine all-season performance weapon. You're essentially driving a mini R8, a supercar slaying machine wrapped in a more compact, more accessible package, offering similar levels of exhilarating takeoff performance, but with the added benefit of year-round usability. It instills immense confidence, knowing that all that horsepower can be put to the ground effectively every single time. 3. Daily drivability. Despite its astounding performance capabilities and race-bred powertrain, one of the TTRS's most surprising and genuinely appealing attributes is its remarkable daily drivability. This isn't a car that demands sacrifices for its speed. It's engineered to integrate seamlessly into your everyday life. The TTRS comes equipped with Audi's adaptive magnetic ride suspension. This sophisticated system allows you to toggle between comfort and dynamic modes, instantly transforming the car's character. In comfort mode, the dampers soften, soaking up road imperfections with a surprising degree of compliance for a performance vehicle, making your daily commute or longer highway journeys genuinely pleasant. Switch to dynamic, and the suspension stiffens, sharpening the car's responses and providing a firm, composed ride essential for spirited driving or track days. Inside, the cabin is a testament to Audi's renowned quality and ergonomic design. The sport seats, often adorned with diamond stitching, are supportive for aggressive driving yet comfortable enough for hours behind the wheel. The materials are premium, the fit and finish impeccable, creating a refined atmosphere. Crucially, it features Audi's top-tier virtual cockpit, a stunning 12.3-inch high-resolution digital display that replaces traditional gauges. This customizable screen puts all your vital information, from navigation maps to performance data like boost pressure and lap timers, directly in your line of sight. It's intuitive, beautiful, and enhances the driving experience by keeping you informed without distraction. You could genuinely daily drive this thing without feeling like a race car driver trapped in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Its compact dimensions make it nimble in urban environments and easy to park. And while it's a two-door coupe, it still offers practical trunk space for luggage or groceries. It's a car that can effortlessly transition from track monster to refined commuter, a testament to Audi's engineering philosophy. If you are enjoying this car, then check out our coverage of the RS3 after this video. 4. Underrated muscle. Perhaps because it doesn't carry the same visual gravitas or a big dollar price tag as an RS6 wagon or an R8 supercar, the TT RS often flies under the radar. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing, or at least a wolf in a relatively unassuming compact coupe's attire. But the numbers, and more importantly, its real-world performance speak for themselves, loudly. The TT RS is deceptively fast. It's quicker off the line than many cars with significantly larger engines, more cylinders, or higher price tags. We're talking about a car that can genuinely embarrass an array of bigger name performance machines, from certain Porsche 911 iterations to sports cars from BMW M and Mercedes AMG. Its light curb weight combined with that potent 5-cylinder engine and the unwavering grip of Quattro means it translates power into forward motion with incredible efficiency. What truly elevates the TT RS into the realm of legendary performance sleepers is its immense tuning potential. This robust 2.5-liter engine, along with the equally stout DQ500 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, is incredibly receptive to modifications. With just a relatively straightforward engine software tune, owners are consistently seeing power figures well north of 500 horsepower, often approaching 600 HP, in a package that weighs less than 3,300 pounds. This transforms the TT RS from an already quick car into an absolute monster, capable of mind-bending acceleration that rivals bona fide supercars. It's a dream for enthusiasts looking for incredible performance without breaking the bank on a bespoke supercar. Its understated looks mean you'll often catch drivers off guard, making those blistering launches all the more satisfying. 5. Perfect balance of fun and function. The Audi TT RS occupies a unique and highly coveted niche in the performance car landscape. It strikes an almost perfect balance between unadulterated driving fun and genuine everyday functionality, a sweet spot that many cars attempt, but few truly achieve. It possesses the agility and responsiveness of a finely tuned hot hatch, darting into corners with precision and feeling incredibly light on its feet. Yet, it simultaneously delivers the straight-line performance and high-speed stability typically associated with a much larger Grand Touring car or even a dedicated supercar. It's a delightful dichotomy, compact in size, making it a joy to maneuver on winding back roads or through city streets, but capable of embarrassing supercars with ease when the road opens up. The two-door coupe design might suggest limited practicality, but the TTRS clever packaging ensures it's more than just a toy. As mentioned, it retains a usable trunk, providing enough space for a weekend getaway for two, or a decent grocery run. This blend of attributes means it's not just a track day hero or a drag strip demon. It's a genuinely engaging driver's car that you can enjoy every single day. It doesn't force you to compromise comfort for speed or practicality for performance. It masterfully hits that sweet spot most cars miss, offering a visceral, engaging driving experience without sacrificing the conveniences and build quality expected from an Audi. For many enthusiasts, this blend of compact size, explosive power, all-weather capability, and daily usability makes it one of the most compelling performance cars on the market. That's what makes the Audi TT RS so great. Its legendary 5-cylinder engine, tenacious Quattro launches, surprising daily drivability, hidden muscle, and an almost perfect balance of fun and function. It's truly underrated, undeniably unique, and ultimately unforgettable.